Benefits of demand side management. It comes under fifth unit of the syllabus for the subject energy auditing and demand side management. So now I will discuss about the three different benefits that can be achieved by using demand side management. Demand side management is a program that encourages energy users to make use of energy efficient designs. Demand side management presents a great chance for different power utilities to limit their greenhouse gas emissions while promoting energy conservation as well as lower emissions. This demand side management approach is actually aimed at both the customers and the utility companies, encouraging lower and more effective energy consumption. Rather than building new electrical plants for responding to the increase in customer demand for electricity producers could possibly attempt to limit the demand for power. Usually, they offer incentives of special programs having lower tariffs as well as higher efficiency appliances. This greatly assists in meeting the environment protection goals since it is going to reduce the emissions of pollutants into the atmosphere. Next, second benefit is controls load. It is undeniable fact that the demand for electricity varies from one person to the other, and there is a huge difference between night consumption of electricity and day consumption of electricity. On the other hand, utility firms prefer constant usage in order to make the most out of their investment. Such a problem is easily solved with the assistance of demand side management. In such cases, lower night tariffs are introduced or other financial incentives to ensure constant power usage. And last advantage is or last benefit is cost effective. Through using the DSM approaches, demand side management approaches, you can be able to save a lot of money in electrical costs as well as maintenance costs. There is a large market nowadays of energy efficient appliances that you can use. Through using these appliances, the energy consumption will go down significantly, and thus you will not require spending as much money in comparison to other firms that do not use the DSM approach. Thank you for your patience hearing and spending valuable time. Thank you one and all.